Hello everyone. I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Farai Mathura. I hope you all are doing well. Now, I am going to deliver a topic, electromagnetic wave theory, the explanation of second equation of Maxwell, which is called Gauss law of magnetism. What is Gauss law of magnetism? According to Gauss law, the surface integral of magnetic flux density over a closed surface is 0. What is the definition? The surface integral of magnetic flux density over a closed surface is 0. Now, according to Gauss law, the surface integral of magnetic flux density over a closed surface is 0. Now, convert the equation. What is equation? Whose B equal to 0. What is equation of B? This is closed surface S B dot ds equal to 0. This is integration form of Gauss law of magnetism. Integral form. According to applying the Gauss divergence theorem by using Gauss divergence theorem. According to Gauss divergence theorem, the surface charge convert to volume integral. Surface integral convert to volume integral. According to Gauss divergence theorem, closed surface S B dot ds equal to convert to volume integral. This one closed surface B del dot B into dV. Now, for this equation, BDS equal to 0. Now, the equation is, now, according to this equation, closed surface V del dot B dV equal to 0. Now, the equation is del dot B equal to 0. And we write this equation, or divergence B equal to 0. This is the divergence form of Gauss law of magnetism. What is the significance? Now, the significance of this Gauss law of magnetism: the magnetic monopole does not exist in nature. This is the significance of Gauss law of magnetism. So, what is significance? The magnetic monopole does not exist in nature. Always identify dipole. Positive and negative charge is available in any magnetic surface. Now move to another equation. This is Maxwell's third equation. This is represented by Faraday law. Faraday law explain curl E equal to minus dV upon dt. This is Faraday law. According to Faraday law, an EMF is induced in circuit whose direction is negative rate of change of magnetic flux. This is law of Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. What is Faraday law of electromagnetic induction? I repeat, an EMF is induced in circuit whose direction is negative rate of change of magnetic flux. So according to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF means electromotive force is induced, an EMF is induced in circuit whose direction is negative rate of change of magnetic flux, of change in magnetic flux. According to this equation, E equal to minus d upon dt phi b. Okay, this is equation number first. Since changing magnetic flux induced an electric field around a circuit, the line integral of electric field E is equal to EMF. So now, since changing magnetic flux induces an electric field around a closed circuit, that is, the line integral of electric field E is equal to EMF. EMF is electromotive force. So E equal to closed surface E dot dl. This one is equation number 2. The magnetic flux through a circuit then equation is, then closed surface of magnetism M equal to closed surface B dot ds. This equation number is 3rd. By equation 1st, 2nd and 3rd. By equation 1st, 2nd and 3rd. What is applying? Closed surface circuit E dot dl. This one. This is C. E dot dl equal to minus d upon dt closed surface S B dot ds equal to minus closed surface S dV upon dt into ds. Now the equation is Now the equation is closed surface C E dot dl equal to minus closed surface S dB upon dt into ds. If you can show the equation, this is integration form of Faraday law. This is integral form. Now applying the Stokes theorem, because you know what is Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem is dl, line integral, is converted to surface charge. So according to using Stokes theorem, closed surface C E dot dl equal to closed surface S curl E, meaning del cross E into ds. Now this is equation number 4. To apply the equation number 4, now the equation is del cross E ds equal to minus closed surface dB upon dt into ds. So this equation is equation number 4 and next equation is equation number 5. By equation 4 and 5 we applying EDL. Now closed surface S del cross E ds equal to minus closed surface S dB upon dt into ds. If you shown this equation, the equation is moved to differential form of Faraday law. Now the equation is del cross E equal to minus dV upon dt. Del cross E equal to minus del B upon del T. This is curl E. It implies that curl E equal to minus dV upon dt. This is differential form of Faraday law. The equation is 6. So what is the application significance of this equation Faraday law? The electromotive force around a closed path is equal to negative rate of change of magnetic flux linked with this path. This is the significant. What is significant? Now, this is the significance of Faraday law. The electromotive force EMF around a closed path is equal to negative rate of change of magnetic flux minus dV upon dt linked with this path. This is significance of Faraday law. I hope you understand this explanation, Gauss law of magnetism and Faraday law. This is very important to understand the electromagnetic wave theory. Thank you so much.